How computers seem to magically understand speech, recognize faces, or even drive cars? Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of neural networks, the secret sauce. So, what exactly are neural networks? Simply put, they're a powerful technology that allows computers to learn from data and make intelligent decisions, much like our own brains. They are at the heart of many artificial intelligence applications we use every day, making our tech smarter and more intuitive. The core idea behind neural networks comes from biology. Our brains are complex machines made up of billions of tiny cells called neurons. These neurons are all connected, passing signals back and forth, which allows us to think, learn, and perceive the world. Artificial neural networks are designed to mimic this incredible natural process. Just like the brain has neurons, an artificial neural network has what we call artificial neurons, or nodes. Each of these tiny units takes in information, processes it with a bit of math, and then decides whether to pass a signal on to the next neuron. Think of each one as a tiny, specialized decision maker in a much larger system. These artificial neurons aren't just floating around, they're all connected. Each connection between neurons has something called a weight. You can imagine a weight as a level of importance. When a network is learning, it constantly adjusts these weights, making some connections stronger and others weaker, so that the right information has more influence on the final outcome. Neural networks typically aren't just one big blob, they're organized into layers. There's an input layer that receives the initial data, like pixels from an image. Then, one or more hidden layers do all the heavy lifting, transforming and analyzing that data. Finally, an output layer gives us the network's answer or prediction, like identifying what's in the image. So, how do these networks actually learn? It's through a process called training. We feed them massive amounts of data, like showing a network thousands of pictures of cats and dogs, and telling it which is which. The network then adjusts its internal weights over and over again, until it gets really good at making accurate predictions on its own. Neural networks are truly everywhere. They're the magic behind features like facial recognition on your phone, how Netflix suggests your next favorite show, and even the voice assistants like Siri and Alexa. They're revolutionizing fields from medicine to finance, proving incredibly powerful at finding patterns and making sense of complex information. And that's a quick tour of what neural networks are all about. We hope this explanation made a complex topic a little easier to understand. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and consider subscribing for more simple breakdowns of fascinating tech. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.